And measuring what a difference it makes to your business. I cannot stress, and I don't even know how to describe the ROI, but having that Monday, and I've only implemented it relatively recently.
And the thing is, I think the other thing to keep in mind, I think sometimes people are very, and because I've talked to clients about this all the time, and it really frightens them to set aside time for their business because they're like, oh, but my clients are paying me for my time. I'm like, no. One, your clients are not paying for their time, they're paying for your expertise.
Yeah.
If they care how you're spending every hour of every day, they need an employee.
Yeah.
Two, like you investing time in your marketing will pay off dividends for years, which is far more, if you want to put a monetary value on it, far more valuable than that one client paying for your time on, in whatever hour of the week you're going to spend. Because that's all I'm asking you guys for is 1 hour. That's all I want you to do. Is if you're not setting aside time now, which I know the vast majority of you are not, 1 hour.
And then make it a day.
And then eventually it'll grow into a day. It'll become a monster.
No, an hour, forget it. I need a whole day.
I do too. I mean, I truly do. But so for example, I have a blog post, brings in 24% of my organic traffic. I wrote that 3 years ago.
And you've updated it, obviously.
I keep it updated. It's very popular, brings in 24% of my organic traffic month after month after month after month. It has brought in multiple clients. So it's definitely deep into the 5 figures in terms of actual money that it brings in. The time it took me to write that was probably about 3 hours. So say I booked 3 strategy sessions, that's about $600 in revenue versus.
So that blog post, that 3 hours has made you a poop ton of money. Like start measuring like that.
That one blog post, because it answers a question that so many of our potential clients have. So they find the answer, they sign up for the email, they build trust, they spend money. So that plus it also has affiliate revenue. So I make a fair amount of money every month off of that too, off of that blog post. So I do not think it's an understatement to say, if we're going to put a number on it, that one blog post has probably made close to $50,000 in money. US cash.